Hi guys, welcome to Freshers Camp. So we are here with another topic of aptitude, which is simple interest. Before moving on to the topic, let me tell you about the topics we have covered so far. So we have completed speed, distance and time, profit and loss, number series, probability, permutation and combination, percentage and set theory. So the last topic was percentage and I obviously gave a homework problem in the last part. So let us solve first that homework problem before moving on to simple interest. So this was the homework problem in percentage. The population of a town increased from 1,75,000 to 2,62,500 in a decade. The average percent increase of a population per year is. So the answer is option B. Let's see how. So decade means 10 years. So increase in 10 years is 2,62,500 subtracted by 1,75,000. So we get the increase in 10 years by this, which is 87,500. Now to calculate increase percent, the formula has already been discussed in part first. So increase divided by the population into 100%. So it is 50% now. The required average we have to calculate, so it will be 50 upon 10%, which is equals to 5%. So our option is option B, which is our answer. So let's move on to simple interest now. So before moving on to the simple interest topic, let me tell you about our channel. We provide regular updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical, and all other type of job opportunities, as well as preparation material for campus placements and government jobs. Do not forget to subscribe the channel for regular updates. Please like the video and leave your queries in the comment section below. So let's start with the basics of simple interest. So what is principal? So principal is the money borrowed or lent out for a certain period is called principal or sum. Interest, extra money paid for using others' money is called interest. Let's say if I borrow a money from someone else, so that is the principal, and the money which I will pay extra to him will be the interest. Now what will be simple interest? If the interest on sum borrowed for certain period is reckoned uniformly, then it is simple interest. So principal is P, R is rate percent per annum, and T is time years. Then what is the simple interest? Simple interest formula is P into R into T by 100, right? And what will be the formula for principal? So the formula for principal is 100 into SI divided by R into T. Now what will be the formula for rate? So we are calculating all the formulas with the help of that simple interest one formula only. Like simple interest formula is P into R into T. Now if in some question we are asked to calculate the principal, so we can easily do it by cross multiplying, like SI into 100 and R by R into T will be in division. So like this, similarly we can calculate the formula for rate and for time. So these are the formula for simple interest, and this is the only formula and it will be applied in all the questions. So for understanding better, let's move on to a question. So a sum of money at simple interest amount to rupees 815 in 3 years to rupees 854 in 4 years. So the sum is, which means we have to calculate the sum, means principal we had to calculate. But if we know here this thing and this thing, so in the formula for simple interest is principal into time into rate divided by 100 is equals to simple interest. So we just put the formula and we know the simple interest is this. Now for 3 years we know, so we will put 3 in place of T. So it is P into 3 into R divided by 100 equals to 815. Now we can do it similarly for this formula as well, 854 in 4 years. Now we will just put r by 100 we will calculate. So we will take it common and you will get it as r divided by 100 equals to 854 minus 815. Now the equation somewhat looks like, r divided by 100. So r is 39 you get here. So P into T into R is equals to 815. So now P into 117. So you can easily calculate P, which is 698. So you know what is the principle. So all the questions will be based on this simple formula for simple interest, which is P into T into R division by 100. So let's see more questions. A sum fetched a total simple interest of rupees 4016.25 at rate of 9 in 5 years. So what is the sum? So I already told you that sum is the principal. So principal is equals to 100 into simple interest divided by r into t. So rupees 100 into simple interest. We know that simple interest is 4016.25. We know that the rate percent is 9 and time is 5 years. So we will just put the values in this formula and we will calculate this. So it will be something like 4016.25, because this point will be gone because there is 100. So when you multiply it by 100, I am sure you must know about this concept. Division by 45, so it will be equals to 8925. So this is all for the part first of simple interest. This is the homework problem for you guys. Leave the answer of homework problem in the comment section. The question is, how much time will it take for an amount of rupees 450 to yield 81 as interest at 4.5% per annum of simple interest? So you have 4 options. Do the question and leave your answer in the comment section. So do not forget to subscribe the channel for regular updates. Please like the video and leave your queries in the comment section below. Thank you.